Fishcake, Doorbell, Yolo, Speedbump. 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 Fishcake, Doorbell, Yolo, Speedbump.
Yolo, so get down to cool it. If you mess with me, you find yourself too flat. This is South Wales, the land of the dragon. David Cameron is a plonker. Did you hear me, the plonker? He's a proper big mess, but he thinks that he's the best. He's making wrong decisions for the country's ambition. There are no jobs and we're losing hope. Politicians need to ride up. This has gone past the joke.
This has gone past the joke. This has gone past the joke. Politicians need to wise up. This has gone past the joke. This has gone past the joke. This has gone past the joke. Politicians need to wise up. This has gone past the joke.
My nan's got swag. She's proper tidy. She gives me pocket money and that's proper tidy. She cooks spoon chips and the best Sunday dinners. When she's at home, she's
always wearing slippers.
She smokes and loves the soap.
And I loves the game of bingo. She loves Charlie Red and is down with our lingo. Fishcake, Doorbell, Yolo, Speedbump. 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 Fishcake, Doorbell, Yolo, Speedbump.
Don't let anyone chop you, chop them back. Keep up with this swag and learn to hit back. Don't be up yourself, don't you dare judge me. Me and my crew give teachers a run for their money. Don't get it twisted, we are not police. We are self-defense ninjas in oversized hoodies.
Self-defense ninjas in oversized hoodies. Self-defense ninjas in oversized hoodies. Oversized police, oversized hoodies. We are self-defense ninjas, oversized hoodies. Fishcake, Doorbell, Yolo, Speedbump. 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 Fishcake, Doorbell.